people ask me two questions. What does it look like and what does it sound like? Well, there it is. It's going right now and we're standing right underneath it. Most whole house fans have 3 or 4 blades. They look like this and they sound like helicopters, right? People hate them. But the Zephyr blade whole house fan we designed, it's got this really big scoop to it, and the 6 blades, lightweight steel, aerodynamic. It makes it extremely powerful, but also very quiet to run. Look, here's high speed. And that's moving a ton of air. But you could still have a conversation right underneath it. Imagine if I was around the corner in the living room, you wouldn't hear it at all. Again, here's low speed. You run it for about an hour first thing in the morning when you get up, about an hour at night before you go to sleep. You will love it. It'll change your life. It'll cut your air conditioning bill. You'll never ever live without it again. And ours comes with this remote. Check it out. You gotta have a whole house fan. Give us a call, you'll love it.